Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, this collection is all about the sweetness and the cake ideas of Christmas. You know the cake is very important on Christmas, and without cake the Christmas is incomplete. So I collect the beautiful ideas of Christmas cakes designs. You know, the Christmas prayers are generally centered and celebrating the birth of Christ as well as giving a glory to God for his promises coming true. So guys, Christmas festival is very important for you and a group of families and group of friends. And without decoration, the Christmas is incomplete. So I bring like the beautiful ideas of cakes decoration. Sweetness cake can create the happiness, create the value of desire. So guys, I appreciate you when you like my YouTube channel on daily basis. Merry Christmas 2023. And the cakes look so amazing, the cakes look so stylish. So thank you so much guys to watch the video and like to video to share the video. And if you have any trouble, then ask me in comment box. Beautiful cakes decoration. Thank you. Keep watching. Stay with me with the Easy Craft Videos. One of the best platform, guys, and provide you the ideas of Christmas, provide you the ideas of Easter. A huge amount of celebration are available for you. So thank you. Keep watching. Stay with me. The video is not stop. Watch the video till the end. And in this collection, I bring collect the beautiful ideas of Christmas cakes. Without Christmas cakes, Christmas is incomplete and the celebration is incomplete.